So I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to hide the reply with message feature on the lock screen of your iPhone. Now, this is a good feature to have, but sometimes you don't want it on the lock screen of your iPhone. So to disable or hide that feature from your iPhone's lock screen, here's what to do. Now, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for other iPhones and iPads. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to Face ID and passcode, tap on that, then enter your current passcode. And once you enter your passcode, you'll be allowed into the Face ID and passcode settings. So look for this list under Allow Access when locked, and look for Reply with Message, and you want to turn that off to disable that feature or hide it from the lock screen. So now, whenever you're on the lock screen and an incoming call comes, that feature will not be available until, of course, the phone is unlocked. And that's basically how to hide the reply with message feature on the lock screen of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.